tour. Okay, this is gonna be like a really quick tour of our room. We are in Miami, staying at the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Resort. This is the bathroom. Very, very, very cute hotel. It's a little tiny, but like, you know, you pretty much just come here to sleep and then go out and enjoy the beach. So this is the bed, and we have a beach view room with the king bed. This is a makeup mirror. Mine isn't working, but pretty much it's like lights come on behind it. So I love the decor of the room. It's so cute. So there's like a lot of lighting. And then we have like the lights under the bed and on top of the bed. Really, really cute. So that's about it. And then we have like I said, the ocean view. Like the beach are currently closed in Miami because they were actually supposed to open it earlier this week, but they didn't have enough people to actually like I guess enforce to make sure that everybody's doing social distancing with the COVID virus. So this is the balcony. Hubby's out here. Have a pool down here. So we're staying right beside like a condominium residence. And then this is, I think this is, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's like the Confidant. It's a really cute hotel too. So we have the beach view. And so they have like, that's the oceanfront section. So it's really nice. Very warm. Out here in Miami, great weather, even though like it's hurricane season, right? Yeah, so like we had kind of a cloudy day yesterday, but today was really nice. We went to Fort Lauderdale and spent the day out there since their beach is open early now. So, but hopefully they'll open it tomorrow. And we're about to go to the pool. I just wanted to do a quick video. That's the room. Very cute, quick, you know, that's that. And if you're ever like in the Miami area, I would say check out the Marketplace. No, it's the Meat Market restaurant. And also there's like a restaurant to go that's very great, like for breakfast. They serve breakfast all day. It's called Big Pink, and in Fort Lauderdale there are like two restaurants that I would recommend. It's the R&R Barbecue and Betty's. Those are very good restaurants to go to. But that concludes the room tour. See you guys later. Alright, I forgot to show you guys that the hotel also has a do not disturb button and a daily service button, so you just pretty much press it, and then the light on the outside turns red. If you want daily service, you press that one and it turns green on the outside. So also in the bathroom, in the shower, they also give you products. You have shower gel, your shampoo and conditioner. And I think that is it. And then I didn't show you guys the closet. The closet is here. We have like a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, so that's the closet. It has an automatic light when you come in. So, and 3 drawers. I believe it's a safe. Yeah, the safe is down there at the bottom drawer. And that's it.
cause I'm laughing through the worst shit. Yeah, I know the devil is a lie, but the way that I've been moving got him nervous. Mac, I hope you know you did your thing. Get your rest, cause homie, you deserve